And we continue to examine the fallout of a U.S. ban on China's Huawei. Like their counterparts in South Korea and Taiwan, Japanese suppliers of Huawei expect sales to drop if consumers around the world start shunning Huawei phones. CNA's senior correspondent Michio Ishida with this report.
There are over 100 million mobile phone users in Japan. Over half use smartphones. In Japan, iPhones are by far the most popular smartphones, with close to half of the market share. In second place are products by Sharp, followed by Sony Mobile. Last year, Huawei sold around 1.9 million smartphones in Japan, rising to gain the fifth biggest market share in Japan. Just when Huawei aimed to accelerate sales in Japan with the announcement it will release 3 new handsets this year, the U.S. stepped up curbs on the Chinese company. U.S. tech companies, including Google, have moved to cut ties with Huawei after the U.S. Commerce Department added the company on its prohibitive entities list. A big blow to Huawei's smartphone business, as its new products will now have no access to some updates of Google's Android operating system and popular services such as the Google Play Store, Gmail, and YouTube apps. Japan's largest mobile phone carrier, NTT Docomo, already said it's no longer receiving pre-orders for any new Huawei phones. KDDI and SoftBank announced they will postpone sales of those phones. Analysts say there will be a knock-on effect on Huawei's Japanese suppliers from the debacle.
注文が来なくなるというふうな捉え方の方がいいと思うんですけども、部品を供給しているメーカーだとやっぱり最大手の村田製作所さんであるとか、電池を手掛けている TDK さんで、スマートフォンだけあるいは基地局だけという観点だと、同じくセラミックコンデンサーを作られている太陽油田さんなんかが影響を受けるんではないかなというふうに思いますけどもね。
According to Mr. Yasuda, the impact is expected to be around 10% of their sales, but the companies are expected to recover quickly. Even if they don't produce for Huawei, they can seek orders from other brands. Japanese companies are, for instance, big suppliers for Apple's iPhone. The broader U.S.-China trade war is more worrying.
プレイステーション4であるとか、任天堂のスイッチなんかが中国で作られて、現行は米国に輸出されてますので、これに対して全ての製品で 25% の関税がかかるというような事態になると、大幅に価格が引き上げられるというようなことが起こるということですね。日本で部品を作って中国で作られた中国製の製品というものが米国に持ち込まれるということが非常に多くありますので。
Japanese companies are starting to reduce their exposure to China, moving some operations to Southeast Asia, where exports to the U.S. will not be subject to tariffs. Michio Ishida, CNA, Tokyo.